Evening, ladies and gentlemen.
What could I say?
Nice shot!
Храните деньги сберегательный
Dapat hinipan mo. Hi guys, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. So my name's Jerome Monastrial. I'm currently addicted to pickleball. Story time. Started playing pickleball around October of 2025. So na-invite lang din ako ng friends ko. From there, wala na. It's all downhill. Rabbit hole of pickleball. So I've been playing 3 times a week. Max na siguro yung 3 times a week. Yeah. So sobrang kinain na ako ng pickleball basically. Today is going to be a different day because I'll be joining my first duper rated match. Okay, so for the non-pickleball watchers out there, so kung di nyo alam, ang duper is kind of a big deal for me kasi in gamer terms, kumbaga ranked game siya. So everything from the points, kung gaano karami yung points mo, kung gaano kadami yung tambak, if it's a close fight, meron siyang bearing when it comes to duper rated matches. Medyo big deal siya. In duper rated matches, you get to see the competitive side of the people. Once you play on open play, casual open play, medyo lax lang yung mga tao. It's okay na outside, may mga hindi ka matirang balik. But when it's a duper match, very serious mode, game face o lahat ng tao when it comes to duper rated matches. Well, for me, siguro ganun kasi syempre minsan pag duper rated, lumalabas yung maging competitive na mga tao. Doon makikita yung measurement mo on how good are you playing with pickleball. Range eh. So, for a beginner, it's going to be like 2.0. Then, as you progress up, 2.5, 2.75 to 3.5, and so forth. Duper rating gets measured with singles. Meron ding rating for double. So, iba yung matches. Pupunta tayo ng Golden Top ngayon kasi they're hosting a duper rated match for NRs and low intermediates. So, sali tayo. Hulaan nyo na lang kung ano yung magiging duper rating ko. But for me, makatres lang ako. Masaya na ako. And beyond that, bonus na yun. Tres lang, masaya na ako. Yeah, so samahan nyo ako today as we play our first duper rated matches. Let's go! Okay, so dito na kami ngayon sa Golden Top. May ongoing open play pa. So time check, it's 8:50, 10 minutes before our duper games start. Well, yung feelings right now, kinakabahan ako. Yeah, sana good games. Hindi ako mag-choke. Yun lang naman yung hiling ko ngayong araw na to. Out of all the days na pangit, sana ngayon, good day. See you on our game 1. Let's go. Game na ba to? O play? Play? Play for serve? Okay. No mercy Screw ball on the first serve. Okay, side out.
Jem, Chini, Nathan, Rubing, Epic.
1. Got no crystal. Good job. Ganda. Fuck! Baseline lagi. Long. Nice. Good job. Fuck! Serve. Yours. You don't practice Santeria. Ayan. Ayan. Mom. Ayan. Sayang.
Good shot.
Ano tungan sa mata?
Temple.
Temple.
Ah.
Kaya.
Game. Good lang. Hindi ko na alam. Nawala. Sakit nun ah. Out. Ayan. It's okay.
By the way, the Nike Lawrence Cherry
Accidents happen. Game on, done. Tamaan ako sa mukha. Talo pa kami. Well, that's life. Galing mag-serve ng isa. Play for serve. Okay. Game 2, let's go. Fuck. Tumama. Good. Malakas. Sorry. Naano ko dito sa wall. Lapit. Wow. Nettings. Fuck, tumatama talaga sa wall. Rage! Tama sa wall yung tira. Pag-baseline. Out. Good job. Uy. Di ba? Tumama?
Oo.
Sorry, taas nabigay ko. Testing lang. Isa lang. Nice. Out na yun. Yours.
Nice one. Right six.
Uy, sayang. Sorry. Yours. 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 Out. Mong. Sayang. Good job. No. Uy. Chill to the world. Nice shot! Sayang. Nice. Out. Pasok. Nice one. Sayang. Uy! Oh, sayang.
Nice one.
Pagod na ako. Ay, tapos na. Good game. Pagod ako, men. What the fuck? Good game, good game. We won! We serve first. 002. Ah! Out.
Arthur Johnson, Drew Edward. Arthur Johnson, Drew Edward.
Ay, sorry. Tik na. Box lang. Mong. Nice drive. Mong. Uy, screwball. Ale. Out. Lang, box lang. Yung. Fine. Ay, sorry. Mong. Nice one. Nice one. That's what I'm saying. Ay, sorry. Lang. Yun. Ay, sorry. Pababa, pababa, pababa. Good job. Sana serve natin yun. Walk. Uy, relax. Ay. Again. Pagod. We lost. Game, ano na tayo? Game 4. Kakalaban namin si Brian Media. Go 11-18! Okay lang yan. Chill lang, tol. Chill lang. Chen. Nice. Mong. Dapat hinipan mo. Mong. Ganda. Yun bakaw. Out. Mong. Essie. Good game. We won. Game 4. Let's go. Ha? S. Mag-hi ka naman.
Grabe.
Game 5 with Carlo and Jack. Parang kailan lang naglaro, last open play. Sabi namin parang, isipin nyo parang duper game. Eventually mangyayari rin pala. Kami yung maglalaban. Game 5 ng duper. Ako'y kinakabahan. Ayos. Sorry, isa lang. Game na.
By Blue, Brian, Wally, Violet Court. By Blue.
Hoy! Hoy! Nice! It's okay. Chill lang. Sayang.
Let's see, Jack, Kini.
Yoy!
Jack, Kini,
Wala. Mong. Uy. Yun! That hinipan mo. Relax. Pasok lang sa box. Ay, sayang. And I serve. Corner, grabe. Nice. Mom. Mine. Ay po. Mong. Kabila. Nice. Sorry men, tamaan din ako kanina.
Kaya kaya.
Out. Dodge. Ay, top game, sorry. And we lost, bro. Sa practice game namin, talo kami nila Jack, pero close game. Pero ngayon, close game pa rin. 5 games. So naka 5 games tayo today and lahat yon ang hirap. At ng games is close fight. So start tayo sa game 1. So post game analysis tayo sa mga games na ginawa natin. So game 1 was parang 11-8. Lose tayo doon. Si Kuyang naka-Wilson nata ng paddle. Sobrang galing niya mag-screwball. Lahat ng tira niya screwball. Pero minsan nag-miss siya. So goods ako doon pag nag-miss siya. Kasi ang hirap magbalik ng screwball. Tapos yun pa, yung incident na natamaan ako sa mata ko dito. Right side na mata ko. Buti hindi sa eyeball meat, so sa dito lang. Sa may temple area. So parang medyo na-off yung game ko, nawala yung momentum ko nung nangyari yun. Galing nila parehas, close fight. So parang 11-8 yan. And then game 2, kalaban namin yung friend ni Brian Media. So dito kami sa may court na medyo tight space yung serving area nung isa. Galing magbalik silang dalawa, nice defense. So yun nga lang, so adjusting ba ako doon sa court na yun. So medyo pag tumatama, yung serve ko baseline, tumatama yung paddle ko sa likod. Tapos pag yung receiving end naman ako pag nag-serve yung opponent, then baseline, minsan na-anxious ako doon sa wall, tatama yung paddle. Game 3, lose kami. Yung kalaban namin, sobrang taas ng duper niya, parang 2.99 yung kalaban namin, yung naka kitchen blocker si Kuya. Tight game rin, so parang 7-11, lose kami. Nice defense, then si ate marunong mag-screwball serve. Galing nila parehas. Next is game 4. Doon na natin nakalaban si Brian Media, si Brian, the photogs of 11-18 autos pa. It was a breeze lang kasi medyo bago lang sila. So medyo nakapahinga kami doon sa part na yun. Score was parang 11-2. 11 kami, 2 sila. And then ito na, yung game 5. Oh my God. The game 5 na parang nagkaroon ng parang premonition yung last open play namin with Jack and Carlo. Basta abangan nyo na lang yung vlog na yun. I'm sure mauuna yun. After neto, kasi sabi ko doon sa sarili ko, isipin natin parang duper game na to. game face on, seryoso. Then okay yung laro namin doon, parang super tight din. Parang 9-11 ata or 10-11 yung naging score. Pero pagdating dito, meron pa rin eh. Nandun pa rin yung kaba, nandun pa rin yung excitement kasi everything is recorded, everything has a bearing. Galing pa rin parehas ni Carlo and Jack. Kudos pa rin returning at defense sa inyong dalawa. Tapos medyo natamaan si Jack sa right side naman, left side pala kasi ako sa right side, sa left side siya. So hindi ko naman intention na tamaan yung mata niya. It just so happens na tumama sa paddle muna and then bumanda papunta sa mata niya. So nasira din yung parang momentum namin. So we have to give time to Jack kasi yun nga, nasaktan siya. Pero sana okay ka lang, Jack. Sana pag napanood mo to, congrats kasi nanalo kayo, talo kami. Kailangan na ata natin bumili ng kitchen blockers. In a few minutes, wala natin kung anong duper rating natin kasi bukas pa daw malalaman. Yeah. Let's go! Let's finish our duper rated matches. Bigyan ko lang kayo ng quick tour dito sa Golden Top. Pakita ko galing sa labas, papasok. Kasi first time ko dito pumunta. Ganda niya, ganda ng facility. So dito yung yung parang park, Pandakan area. May park dyan, tas dito na yung Golden Top. Yun yung signage nila. Yung. Tas may parking dito. Tsaka pwede rin street parking dito sa labas. So first come, first serve. Yan si Carlo, tsaka si Jack. Tumalo sa amin. Uwi na sila. Pag duper games pala, up to max 5 recorded games. And then, after nun, pag all of the participants are done playing with the 5 games, pwede nang maglaro ng open play, non-recorded match. So, wala nang pressure. So, ito yun, galing sa parking area, merong service staircase dito. Tapos, dito, yan, one of the pros. Let's go. Golden Top, ayan. You can see all the courts here. So, magandang area to for spectating. Ayan. So, another entrance to. Pero dun tayo sa isa. So, pagpasok nyo dito, sa big warehouse, pasok mo dito, ayan, staircase, check ka dito. And then they have coffee, ayan, nasasarado na. And they have paddles for sale. Mga Saipig, J2NF, Thrive, Kamito, Gearbox. Ayan. Yung mga paddle essentials sila. And drinks also. Ayan, Gearbox. Then, pagpasok mo sa right side, meron mga food concessionaires ng mga french fries, dumplings, and protein shake. Ayan. Kaso sarado na kasi it's already, ano oras na ba? 11:57. Ayan. So, you can see, this is the first court. We are here sa Golden Top in Pandakan. We have a lot of Kamito signages dito. Kamito and Gearbox. Si Brian Medio, naglalaro. Ay, thank you. Siya pala yung pumalong sa mata natin kanina. Ayan, so they have 4 courts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So medyo masikip lang yung area doon ng court. So this is a good court dito. Ito good court to, tsaka dun good court din. Dito, not so much kasi pag nag-serve ka naman dito, especially pag yung mga baseline serve na receiving, then tatama ka dun. And then, dun naman sa kabila, super tight ng area on which you can play games. Ayan o. So nag-overlap yung court na to, tsaka court na tong kabila rin. Look at the servicing area. Ayan. So, minsan hintayan pag magsaserve ka. Yes, syempre, give chance. Yun lang naman yung kailangan nyo gawin. Kasi yun lang talaga yung space eh. So, dito pa rin tayo. Golden Top. Ganda. Ganda ng facility nila. Pang pickleball talaga. Guys, so may balita na tayo from our duper match. Okay. So, nag-message na yung friends ko na meron na daw duper rating. Nandun na sa reclub natin. And honestly, sobrang kinakabahan ako and excited at the same time. Parang may ako nag-check ng reclub. Tapos inoff ko muna yung notification ko for reclub until makuha ko na yung duper rating natin. Sabi ko doon sa mga friends ko na, guys, pag dumating na yung duper rating natin, kasi apat kaming sabay-sabay nagpa-duper match. Sabi ko, guys, pag dumating na yung rating natin, sabihan nyo ako. So, i-record yung reaction ko kung ano yung magiging duper rating ko. Okay, so let's go. So, open reclub. Gusto ko rin makita nyo yung reaction ko kung anong rating ko. Okay. Okay. So, duper rating natin is, kita ba? It's 2.8. So, hindi natin na-achieve yung 3 na inaasam-asam natin. Pero 2.8, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's good, actually. 2.8. So, we need more duper games para mapataas natin yung duper rating natin. I'm still happy kasi mataas yun for your first duper rating match. Yeah, so I need to drill more, do more matches, and practice more. Yeah. So, ngayon dito kami sa open play. So, halata mo ngayon dito ngayon kung sino yung mga napaluan na sa mukha eh. Mga nakaganito na. No, Jack, di ba? Ayan, no? Alam mo na, pag napaluan yung sa mukha, nakaganito ka na rin. For sure.